Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video from you guys, and that is my favorite scents I like to wear to the gym or to work out, whatever it is, wherever you go to work out. We're just gonna say to the gym. I got a lot of comments asking me to do this video, and I'm super excited because I do actually wear fragrance mists to the gym, and I love fragrance mists especially for the gym because they're not strong and you're not gonna disturb anyone next to you. I know that like people on TikTok definitely were like, if you go to the gym and you wear perfume, like you need to stop, but I think everything in moderation is okay. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for the gym, I feel like my vibe is definitely fresh, light, airy. It's nothing, super crazy sweet or floral. I also do not do that many sprays. I probably spray like 3 or 4 like spritzes on myself, and especially on my clothes mostly. And I find that I haven't gotten anyone to tell me like, oh, you smell too strong, you should like chill with the fragrance. Again, these are fragrance mists. They're not going to, I don't think they're going to be that strong. Anyways, first scent that I always wear, and this is what I wore to my workout today, this is Cucumber Melon. This scent is perfect for the gym because it is light, it is airy, and it is clean. Cucumber scents are perfect for the gym or for your workout. This just has crisp cucumber, watermelon honeydew, or watery honeydew, summer cantaloupe, sparkling grapefruit, and sheer woods. Anything with a citrus scent smells amazing. And I love this scent because it kind of lingers a little bit on your clothes, which I like. It doesn't mix weird once you start sweating. I find that for me at least, when I'm wearing like sweet scents while I'm working out, it kind of turns like a weird funky smell. So I highly recommend Cucumber Melon. This is a classic and I'm obsessed. Like I've used up a lot of this just from going to the gym. So yeah. Next scent I have is Grapefruit Frozen. So again, with the citrus note, this has sparkling grapefruit, frozen rosé, sun-splashed sugar. This scent is so underrated. More people need to talk about this fragrance because I absolutely adore it. It has probably been one of my top 3 most worn fragrance mists of like these past 2 months. Something about it smells expensive, but at the same time it is nice and fresh. I think citrus scents again just smell so freaking bomb. And I actually get a good amount of compliments at the gym when I do wear this fragrance. I think it smells super good and it's just like an amazing fragrance. And it's nothing too strong. I think if you do like something a little sweeter, this is good because it has a teeny bit of sweetness, but nothing too overpowering. Another scent, which is my absolute favorite scent of my entire life, this is Coastal Hydrangeas. You guys know how much I love this. I wear this all the time. This has fresh hydrangeas, ocean mist, and golden apples. So I think again apples are another amazing fragrance note for the gym. It just smells very fresh and airy and clean. This one especially has a tiny bit of like a floral scent and an aquatic scent, which I love. I think this scent is perfect. It is a little bit more long lasting, and I was going to include Beachfront Blanket in this video from the same like collection, but I did get nervous and I didn't end up putting it in this video because I know how potent Beachfront Blanket is. It is a very strong scent, and I feel like sometimes I don't really gravitate towards it because I don't want others to be like hit in the face by my fragrance. That's not something you want for the gym. This is perfect because it's actually pretty long lasting for, working out. We typically work out for like an hour or 2, I guess. So it's perfect for that. And I think body mists are great for that. So I highly recommend Coastal Hydrangeas if you love something aquatic. This is also a great like refresher. So after you come back from the gym and maybe you need to like run a few errands like I do sometimes, this is perfect to just spray over. Next scent is My Freaking Baby. This is Gingham. I love this scent, and people probably hate on me because I love this scent so much, but it is a nice, fresh citrus clean kind of smell. It smells like, it literally smells like a summer day. Like a picnic, and I don't know if it's the packaging that does this. Again, this scent actually lasts pretty long on me. Like, it lingers on me for like hours. And I know some people say that gingham doesn't last long on them, but for me personally, it lasts on me. So I do not need a lot of this. I would probably do like 2-3 sprays and I'm good for my workout. So yeah, this scent is amazing. This is a classic, a staple from Bath and Body Works, and I think it's just perfect if you guys like also want something that you can wear after. So I have a mini travel size of this that I like to spray on myself after my workout. Again, if I have any errands to run, I think this is great. The key to wearing body mist at the gym or wherever is to not go overboard. You guys have seen me drench my whole body and spray like a million sprays when I go out. But in a gym, it's like a closed space. Like, it's like a room that you're in with a bunch of people. So like, it's harder to let the scent like go everywhere. Does that make any sense? I don't know. Overall, this fragrance is amazing. It is so good. It is a classic. Next scent I have is an amazing scent as well. This is Raspberry Tangerine. Anything I feel like, or not anything actually, I would say the other one, Sunwash Citrus, would also be good. I don't have that, but I've smelled it before and it does smell really good. Raspberry Tangerine has wild raspberries, fresh tangerine, and lemon zest. I love a lemon note in anything. That is my favorite citrus note to have in a fragrance. This smells super tart. Like, you can definitely get those tart fragrance notes, but I think it just reminds me of like a clean person. The packaging is kind of cute. Like, it's like, you know, a little juice box vibe, but I'm into it. I think it smells really, really pretty for the gym. And again, it's nothing that's gonna like grab someone's attention, but it's nothing that is going to offend anyone. I think it's something that if you walked past someone would be like, ooh, like, she smells nice today, like she doesn't smell like sweat. So yeah, again, this one doesn't mix weird with my body chemistry once I'm sweating, because after my workout I am literally drenched in sweat. And I mean, don't worry, I do put on deodorant and all that, but it's still important to, you know, it just makes me feel better. That's what I'm trying to say. It makes me feel better to spray some after or before my workout, and I just feel like I smell better. Next scent I have is Midsummer Dream. I love this packaging, like this like kind of ombre blue to orange kind of packaging. I think it looks so freaking cute. This scent, I feel like a lot of people were under like, they were kind of disappointed by it. That's what I'm trying to say. They were a little disappointed. They thought it wasn't anything crazy or special. I personally think it's really good. It has salted pear, fresh nectarine, and seaside lily. The lily in here is just an absolutely beautiful fragrance note, and it just smells like a pretty girl. Like, if I saw a pretty girl walking around town, like, I'd be like, ooh, she probably smells like this. I don't know. But again, it's fruity, but it's also fresh, and I love the pear note. The pear note in here is what makes this fragrance amazing. Again, this is nothing offensive. It's nothing that's going to make you like stand out if you only spray a few spritzes of this, but it's also going to just let you feel better. And if you walk past someone, you're gonna smell good. You know, you're gonna smell, you know, like a midsummer dream. So I highly, highly recommend this fragrance. So we're gonna kind of switch gears here, and I'm gonna talk about this product that I've been using a lot. This is Mixbar Hair and Body Mist in Tangerine Squeeze, and I love to spray this in my hair. I just think it's important for your hair to smell good too. And if you're like me and my hair gets really sweaty during my workout, I think this is perfect for you because it kind of just freshens it up. I do pull my hair back like this, but I mean, still get sweaty. What can you do? So I think this is great. You can also keep this in your bag and use it for your hair and your body and your clothes after you work out to freshen up. You know, just give yourself a little wipe down. You're good to go, okay? I know I always say, like, don't cover up stink with smell good, but I mean, I totally understand if you maybe can just go to the restroom, grab a paper towel, and wipe down your body, or bring a little towel with you so you can freshen up and then respray a little bit. My only tip is to not overdo it with the spray, because then it's gonna be noticeable that you're trying to cover up a specific kind of smell. You know, you're trying to cover up the fact that you haven't showered yet. So yeah, but anyways, I love this stuff. You can get it at Target. I believe it's like $8.99, so not too bad. But yeah. Last but certainly not least, I have a Beautiful Day. This scent is another really long-lasting fresh fragrance that I can still smell on me throughout my day. So I think this is perfect. It has sun-kissed apple, sparkling cassis, wild daisies, and pink peony and fresh wood. So it is perfect for the gym, in my opinion. I think it just smells beautiful. It smells like a fresh kind of laundry day, like it's a nice summer day. And I can especially see this if maybe you guys go hiking or you're going on a walk at the beach. This is perfect for that. You know, that's your morning exercise. This is amazing. Please pick this up. It is a retired fragrance, so you can't get it in the stores. You have to order it online, but they always have like retired fragrance sales, so pick it up then. Alright you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope it was like somewhat helpful, and I hope people don't get too offended by this video, because I know there are a lot of Karens out there who are like, you shouldn't wear body mist to the gym. Well, I'm making this video for those of you guys who want to, and you just want my recommendations. So I'm not telling you guys to wear fragrances to the gym. If you do, here are some recs. If you don't, perfect. It's not a big deal. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!